Today I just thought of something that might be actually of public use. We purchased the perfect prep Tommee Tippee machine. I saw that you could get 2 of these third-party filters, which I'm trying to show there, for the same price as 1 original perfect prep Tommee Tippee filter. This is what keeps happening. To kind of smash it about. Actually, here we go. I brought the machine forward so I can lift it right out. I've just filled it up with water. And you can see nothing is happening. Oh, a drip. I could put that in, one of those, but she needs milk now. I didn't realise it had done this again. Here we go, we've got a bit of filtering going on now. But that's the best you get. And you have to keep smashing it about all the time. Prep machine, it's blue now. I'll show you how this thing works actually. So you still prepare your formula in your bottle. You pop it under there and then you hit go. You have to make sure I'm on a 7-ounce feed. Hit go, yes, we've added the formula. We've put the bottle on the stand. So it adds a hot shot first. So you get a sterilised lid. Give it a shake for 10 seconds. Then it's back on the machine. We've done that, we've put it back on the stand. So now it adds cold water. Once that's finished, it's ready to drink, so it's really good. I've obviously got Evie, 8 years ago, didn't have one of these, and this has been a massive time saver, so it is good. Sylvia's obviously killed me for getting third-party filters. They had all, it was on Amazon, they had all the safety ratings, the food hygiene ratings and all of that stuff. But the moral of the story is never go third-party with something that's for your baby. All 7 ounces, all but a little dribble in the bottom there. It's super hot at the minute, hence why I'm rocking my only vest that fits me. I've put on weight since I stopped running. So yeah, I'm also thinking of finishing off the garden today. I don't know if you can see it on the selfie mode. Today is also babysitting duties with this little one. Hence why I've got the out of bed look and the scruffy clothes on. It's Saturday, it's my job to look after Sophia. So I'm gonna try and do the garden in between. Good news everyone, Sylvia's agreed to do the fence post for me. It's what? Are you happily helping me? Sylvia doesn't like being on camera. But anyway, she's going to do a great job. She's going to do these 3 posts. Comment below if you like my colour choice. Sylvia doesn't, do you? Okay, so Sylvia's given me permission to go to the garden centre while she's doing So, pretty cool place. It is a cash and carry, but the boss isn't around today. The assistant, who's only been in the country 5 months, is Italian. So I tried out a little bit of my Italian, which is not very extensive. His boss was pruning some trees the other day, got bitten by something and it's been massively infected, so he's in hospital. He was able to offer me some plants for cash, but I haven't got any cash on me. So I've come to Wyevale Garden Centre in Potters Bar, which was the closest open garden centre. I've never been to a Wyevale Garden Centre before, but the encouraging thing as I've driven into the car park is a massive sign saying sale now on. I always like coming to Potters Bar as well because Evie loves Harry Potter, and every time we come to Potters Bar she's like, this is where Harry Potter lives, even though she knows it isn't, but it's just a little joke she does, so it always makes me feel like. Do you like these, Sophia? Do you like them? Do you like? Should we get them? Shall we get some? Yay! I've had loads and loads of really good advice. I'd highly recommend Wyevale Garden Centre in Potters Bar. A gentleman named Andy literally helped me with everything, gave me all the advice. I've got 5 or 6 different plants, topsoil, some peat. I've got some tools I need. hyperlapse, but the new filter's been installed and it's working perfectly.
So yeah, water level has shot up. It's empty in there now, so it'll actually take more water. My dear old mum always used to say, buy cheap, buy twice. And that is definitely true with third-party filters for this. Don't do it. So that's the garden done. That's me finished. 100 quid's worth of plants. Doesn't look like it, does it? But overall, I'm happy with the results of the colour of the fence. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Sylvie's done a great job with the posts today. We just need to straighten that middle one. And I just need to finish off the interior of the shed, the bits you can see when the door's shut. Right. So I've had a really productive day today, as you've seen, a few of the hyperlapses. I've done some random stuff today. We've been to the garden centre. I've shown you the Tommee Tippee machine and my mistake with the filter, the third-party filter. I've looked after Sophia all morning because it's Saturday. Gave Sylvia a bit of a break. She'll probably disagree that I haven't given her enough of a break because she's now upstairs with her and has been for probably the last hour. I think they're resting whilst I've been in the garden doing the plants and things. So the channel, I'm kind of messing around at the minute. I don't really know where we're going. Recreational running started out me doing the pose running stuff, which came to an end very quickly because we're moving house, we had a baby, lots and lots of things got in the way of me doing the pose running stuff. So now I'm just kind of experimenting with my phone, my gimbal, Filmic Pro app, which I'm not using at all, by the way, today because it crashed on me when I was doing the house festival stuff a couple of days ago, and I just thought I'd use the native camera app today on the Samsung 8, and I'm quite happy with the results, to be honest. We'll see what it comes out like in the final edit. If you like what you've seen, please like and share and subscribe. If you've got any ideas what I should do, if you think I should stop, tell me. I don't care, I can take it. Evie obviously wants to get heavily involved with the channel. I actually found on my camcorder a load of stuff she's done, which I might edit some of it in and put into a video pretty soon. She's quite good. She's a natural at this, way better than me. The main thing is the bar. I get excited when talking about that. I'm keeping my voice down a bit because Sylvie is upstairs. She might be listening. She doesn't want me to do the bar. I'm not really even a drinker, but I just think it would be a nice thing. We've got that big path down the side. Let's use that space for a little bit of storage and then use the bar as, use the shed as a little bar. So when we have barbecues and things, it's just a little bit of a quirky thing. Inspired by my brother, actually. So my brother's got a little tiki bar, and when I went there last summer for a barbecue, I was bar manager and I enjoyed it. I didn't even really drink. I just like making cocktails and stuff for people. So that's the idea. Let's have some fun, have the neighbours around for barbecues and stuff. So like and share, comment, give me advice, whatever. Thank you.